Hey everyone, I'm Kenzie. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best home gadgets to make your life easier. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Breville Q commercial grade home blender. If you're looking for a powerhouse blender that can handle anything from smoothies to soups, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's get blending. First, let's break down what makes the Breville Q so special. This is a commercial grade blender designed for home kitchens, packing an 1800-watt motor. That's the highest power rating you can get. It hits a blade tip speed of 186 miles per hour, so it crushes ice, pulverizes seeds, and blends fruits and veggies in seconds. It comes with a 68-ounce copolyester jug, perfect for big batches. You get 4 one-touch programs for smoothies, green smoothies, ice crushing, and even soups, plus 5 speed settings for total control. There's also an auto-clean function. Just add water and a drop of soap and it cleans itself. And if you want smoother blends, it's compatible with the Vac Q vacuum pump, sold separately for brighter colors and richer flavors. Now, let's talk about pros. This blender is insanely powerful. Smoothies come out silky, even with tough ingredients like kale or frozen berries. The one-touch programs are a lifesaver for busy mornings. Just press a button and walk away. The wide jug makes pouring easy, and the auto-clean feature saves so much time. Users love how durable it feels, and it comes with a 7-year warranty for peace of mind. Compared to brands like Vitamix, many say it performs just as well, if not better, at a lower price. But no product's perfect. The lid can be tricky to remove at first. Some users say it's tight and needs a little practice. It's also loud like most high-powered blenders, so don't expect to blend while someone's sleeping nearby. And while the price is fair for the quality, it's still a premium blender, so it's an investment. So who's this blender for? If you love making smoothies, nut butters, or hot soups at home and want a reliable pro-level machine, the Breville Q is absolutely worth it. It's powerful, versatile, and built to last. If you only blend occasionally or have a tight budget, you might not need all this power, but for serious home chefs, it's a dream. Ready to level up your blending game? Check out the Breville Q on Amazon using the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and any special promotions we've tracked down for you at Rick's Review Hub. Clicking our link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you in advance. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, or subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest home gadgets. Your support keeps us going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy blending!